Saturday, January 18th. We have not had snow in Metro Detroit for over 2 months. Little snows here and there, nothing of substance. The annual cabin outing at Island Lake State Recreation Area ended up getting several inches of wet snow overnight from Friday into Saturday, which means it's time to go sledding at our favorite hill next to the White Pine Cabin at Island Lake. A 5-minute walk down the trail and to the hill. We'll see you there. My arms are buried under the snow. Oh goodness. Yeah. GoPro, stop recording. Kidding? It's very likely.
Rest in peace.
You're welcome.
How I went the first time.
What?
Buckle the hood.
What?
Getting in the zone, fellas. Through the brush. Here I come to say it. Oh. Well, I didn't hit any jumps, but I ended up in the brush and in the grass.